degrees. Pure 50 inches of snow.
White snow.
White.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Focus the snow. Everywhere back also.
Look at these pine trees, because they're named Christmas trees. Woo! You mostly get them in Canada. Although, you can cut them up and they be your Christmas trees. And you'll say, Merry Christmas. See that? That's a huge one. That one has been up to there for a long, long time. I got a big party. Go on yahoo.com to find some more for you. That's our house. This is the snow angel. Well, we know why Vanessa does it. Like, that's our house. We sure need a clean. Back to where we were. What else do you want?
Stay there. Give me the camera.
That is a Christmas tree. Just cut it up and it's going to be your famous Christmas tree. But only one problem.
Yeah.
You have to know how to fit it in, so you might want to trim the tree. Trim the tree to be so jolly. La 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 la.
Let them see the snow.
Right now in India, it might be, I don't know.
Say it's 90.
19. Now it's 20 degrees here, minus 20 degrees.
50.
50 inches of snow, that is this. It's vanilla, ice cream. The one that Allie gives us every day after breakfast. Yum. You might be wondering what time it is right now.
How much time?
much. What the time is right now? Well, now it is a snow blizzard outside, and it is very cold. Minus 20 degrees. Can you believe that? That's a lot. It's cold. Snow. Minus 20 degrees, 15 for snow. Welcome to Canada. You might not want to stay here sometimes. You might want to.
Welcome to Canada. Toronto.
That's the bus. Here's the bus. Hey, maybe sometimes you want to come to Canada. So let's show you a little tour. That is our house. A big house. There's lots of snow, if you can see, falling down. Our van, our car is right now with Daddy. Look, there are lots of houses, beautiful houses. Well, let's see. Snow all around. Cars. You might be wondering, why aren't you coming to Canada? Why? Well, that's because you haven't seen anything about Canada. So, go to somewhere that you can find all about Canada. This is how you make a snowball.
Yeah.
You have to get
Throw snow. Throw some.
Wait. If you come to school here in Canada, you can't throw snow. Well,
No, wait.
the school.
9 minutes.
Snowball. Look at Ready's snowball. Ready? Here's a snowball too. You have to make them big.
See the time.
9 minutes and 30 seconds.
Wait here.
9 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yeah, okay. Stop it.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye from your friends in Canada.